Hello, Shane here. I'm gonna make you one of my favorite dishes. It's grape and grape tomato, red onion, or shallots, a little pomegranate molasses, olive oil. Is gonna be sweet, it's gonna be tangy, kind of like life if you're lucky, you know, sweet and tangy, but you gotta be lucky. So, I already picked some grapes out. These are grape tomatoes. And then I got a variety of grapes. So you can choose your favorite grapes, but I like colors. As you see, once you cut these and mix them all together, they're gonna look really pretty. I have some black grapes, green, red. These are pink, I almost knocked everything out. Pink grapes. So you choose your own favorite grapes and you can always cut them together. And the bigger ones, like this big black one, I chop it in 3/4. You want to cut them in circle. If they're not that big, just go with 3. And in these greens ones, sometimes you see this little black piece that from where it was hanging to the vine. You just kind of cut that out so you don't see that in the salad. Want to make everything look appetizing and pretty. We do eat with our eyes first, folks. And the little ones, you can just cut them in half. You don't have to go 3 ways. Be careful you don't cut yourself. I have to say that because I'm a dad and I always have to say be careful. All right, the tomatoes, same thing. If the tomatoes are really big, cut them in 3s. If they're kind of small, want to kind of everything be the same size. Uniform, as much as you can. You know me, I'm a rustic guy, cuts everything all up, not uneven. Okay, so I already cut all this up and we're gonna mix it. Disregard the ends. All right, to this, I had a beautiful shallot, so I diced it up really fine. You don't want to add too much. If that was red onion, I would even cut it back. You just want a little bit of flavor. Some salt, pepper. Good 2 pinches on this. Some diced mint, finely chopped. A little bit of flat leaf parsley. I'm gonna do a zest of a lime. And notice how fast this salad's coming together. If you prep it, this should be an easy salad. And I know because of the grape, everybody's gonna go dessert. It is not a dessert. It's more tangy than sweet. And I'm gonna do a lemon in this one too. All right, I'm also gonna squeeze the lime and the lemon into the dish. Already looking at these colors, my mouth is salivating. And by the way, this is an excellent vegan salad. And you know, you can always touch these things up by putting nuts in it, almonds. You can put some lentils in this. There is no rules, folks. All right, that was a juicy lemon. All right, capture the seed between your fingers. Just one more. All right. Wash the hands. All right, so this is pomegranate molasses. You can find it just about in any Middle Eastern store. They might have it at Ralph's supermarket, depending on the neighborhood you live in. So we're going to put a little bit of this. About 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. You gotta taste your food as you're making it and then adjust. Same with olive oil. Okay, and another important item to this dish is red wine vinegar. So get a really good brand of red wine vinegar. Now if you do accidentally put more liquid in this, do not worry because we're gonna have a technique for that on this dish. So we're gonna mix it all up, see where it's at, give it a good toss. Get them all together. You notice how the colors are so beautiful, vibrant, and you really can't tell which is the grape, which is the tomato, and that's the fun factor of it. All right. So now I'm gonna give it a little taste. Perfect. It hits you right here. Has that little taste buds going on, the lime, the lemon, the acid on the red wine vinegar. I could taste the crunch of the shallots, the mint. It's all hitting together, and then you can't taste what's sweet, what's sour. Just like life, man. It's great. And look, this dish is done. We're gonna plate it. And as I told you, if you do have excess of juice in there, by accident you put a little more, this is how we're gonna plate it. We're gonna pick it up with your hand and let the juice drain out. Voila. And you're gonna top it up. Now, if you had some pistachios, nuts, you could have just put it on top of this. You could accent it with more pomegranate seeds, just to let people know. But I like to not do that, so people are forced to ask me, what's in this dish? And what's in this dish is that pomegranate molasses always shocks them. So, with the juice that you have, you can make a salad dressing. You can save this, sift it, save it in your refrigerator. It's just vinegar and oil, and add it tomorrow to your arugula, you know? So we're gonna save this one. All right, folks, simple, fast dish. It's gonna taste great. This will complement just about anything you're eating on the side with it. And as always, you gotta remember, shop happy, shop with a smile, cook happy, cook with a smile, and then always, for your own sake, eat with a smile and be happy. Have a great day. See you next time.